Hello everyone. We have already studied in the previous video the philosophical foundation of the curriculum. In this video, we will study the second foundation, which is the knowledge base of science curriculum. When we are going to prepare a science curriculum, there are different aspects that we should take into consideration. The first aspect is science concept. The experience of the curriculum should reflect the concept of science and help the student to understand that science is a way of thinking much more than a body of knowledge. Science is defined as an attempt to understand the world. So science begins with questions about the natural world. So the experience of the curriculum should start with questions and help the student to investigate and answer these questions. Students at all grades levels and in every domain of science should have the opportunity to use scientific inquiry and develop the ability to think and act in ways associated with inquiry, including asking questions, planning, and conducting investigations. The second aspect is the goals of science, which are describe, explain, predict, control. The science curriculum should reflect these goals in its experiences. The third aspect is the scientific research methods, which are the descriptive method, the experimental method, the mathematical methods. Curriculum should be built in the light of these scientific methods, and its experiences should provide the opportunity to use these methods while trying to answer the scientific questions. Number four is the science process skills. You have already studied these skills in the active learning course. What are the science process skills? Science is more than collection of facts. Process skills are basic techniques and procedures scientists use to know about the natural world. Learning the process skills by the students prepare them to become a scientist in the future. The science process skills is classified into the basic science process skills, which are observing, measuring, inferring, classifying, predicting, using space-time relations, using numbers, communicating. The second category is the integrated science process skills, which are defining operationally, interpreting data, formulating hypotheses, controlling variables, experimenting. Number five, the structure of science. Besides presenting science as a way of thinking, science curriculum should present the organized construction of scientific knowledge that include facts, concepts, principles, laws, theories that help the scientist to explain the natural world. Number six, the characteristics of science. If you follow the history of study any natural phenomenon like light, we can conclude that there are a number of characteristics of science like objectivity, systematic exploration, reliability, precision, accuracy, abstractness, and so on. The science curriculum should help the student to understand characteristics of science and provide them with deep experiences related to these characteristics. Number seven, the relationship of science with other branches of knowledge. The curriculum should achieve the integration between science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The STEM education now is among the most significant themes that drive science education research and practice today. The last aspect is the scientific attitudes and values. Scientific attitudes and noble values should be instilled through experiential learning, either spontaneously or through planned activities. In this video, we studied the knowledge base of the science curriculum. We concentrated in 8 aspects of this base, which are science concept, science goals, science methods, science process skills, science structure, the characteristics of science, the relationship of science with other branches of knowledge, and the scientific attitudes and values. Thank you for your attention. I wish you all the best.